In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a CV on Enhancv. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to app.enhancv.com and you want to sign in to your account or just create one in case you don't have one yet. It's very easy. After that, you want to go ahead and go to Documents, top left, and then click on Create New over here, and then click on New Resume. Here you then have four options. You can either start with an industry example, you can go ahead and upload an existing resume, import your LinkedIn profile for basically easy creation of your CV, or you can start with a blank document. I do think the easiest way to create a resume or a CV is by just clicking start with an industry example, but of course you're free to use any of these features. I'm going to click on this one. It's going to ask me basically to search for my role. So as you can see, whenever I click on a role, it's going to preview a CV here on the right. So it's always going to change depending on whichever you click on. So you have a bunch of different ones over here. And let's say we're just going to find one that we like. Let's say it's going to be marketing. And then whenever you like it, you can go ahead, click on it. You can see it. You can zoom with it. And when you are ready, just click on use this resume. And it's going to put you inside your editor. So to now make your CV, it's actually very simple. You can just go ahead and click anywhere on your screen. You can just change the text. So let's say you want to click on over here. I'm going to change the name, instant how-to, there we go. And then you also have your strengths and a bunch of different things over here. You can just edit your text however you want, like this, for example, there we go. And then you can just change anything in here you would like to change. You can also add in sections, which is great. So you can go to add sections up here, and then you can add in either a custom one or a different one over here. So you have, for example, my time, awards, references, etc. I'm going to go ahead and click on, for example, let's say I'm going to click on this references one over here, add the resume, and it's going to get added. What's also very important is you have an option to click on rearrange over here, and you'll see your entire screen, basically where the different brackets with different things of information, pieces of info are. You can go ahead and just basically change this. You can move it around and then press continue editing, and things are going to get switched up for you on your screen, which is also very, very convenient and easy to use. You can also change your template in case you don't want this one anymore. You can go ahead and design and font this. So if you want any other designs than this, like margins, sections, colors, etc., you can do that too. Or just basically change your font styles, change your backgrounds down here. You can do pretty much anything you want. You can improve your text over here. You can set your language. And then if you actually have the pro version, you can go ahead and basically spell check and stuff like that. You can use the checker where you can check and tailor your resume so that it passes ATS screening by clicking continue. And then you can basically just follow these instructions over here to actually do this. You can also share it. You can share it as a link so somebody can view it. Or you can go ahead and get comments. So you can make basically you can make a link where friends can comment on that and basically tell you and proofread and tell you if everything makes sense. Down here, you also have the download option. So if you have anything regarding the pro feature, so I have a pro feature in here, you'll have to upgrade to be able to use it. But if you actually want to download that for free without the pro version, you can go ahead, click on up here, click on remove, and then switch to free. And then you'll be able to download this to your computer as a PDF, a TXT, or just send a PDF to your email. Now, of course, you can preview it before by clicking this I button up here. You can preview that, and whenever you are happy, you can go ahead and just download it and use it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you make a CV on Enhancv. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.